Consider the time your team spends on projects, presentations, meetings, and conversations. Each day, they work to be heard so your business priorities get the attention they deserve. Have you equipped your team with the skills they need to influence action and drive decisions Monday to Monday? This takes more than a memo. It requires a cultural change. Our Influence Redefined, Be the Leader You Were Meant to Be, Monday to Monday, is a 2-day experience where we send 2 instructors to work with your team at your office. We take a maximum of 10 people per workshop. If your team is larger than that, we can help you identify those on your team with the biggest potential for growth to make sure they attend the first workshop. We can also discuss other workshop formats that accommodate larger teams. The reason we limit participants is because throughout the 2 days, we take a deep dive into teaching and practicing the skills needed to create real influence. One of our instructors will be outside of the room privately coaching individual team members throughout the day, while the second instructor teaches the group the skills they need to impact their listeners. Throughout the 2 days, participants will be continually video recording and receiving coaching that drives awareness and accountability. Video recordings allow each person to observe how they really come across through the eyes and ears of their listeners. They are used to teach the participants how to ask and receive feedback and how to immediately implement the change needed to increase their level of influence. Our techniques provide powerful change in how your team communicates in their day-to-day. We tailor workshops to address your specific needs and communication methods. The investment you make gives your team the ability to immediately influence action on priorities that are meaningful to you and your company. Connect with me to learn more about our workshops, and we can set up a time to meet and discuss how we can help your team achieve genuine influence Monday to Monday.